How to speed up Mozilla Firefox browser. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can speed up Mozilla Firefox browser. In order to do this procedure, first of all, you need to open up your browser. After that, what you can do is, so basically there are several steps on how you can fix it, but I'm going to be showing you one of the easiest way. So first thing, you need to launch to your Mozilla Firefox account or your web browser and then tap on the three lines icon in the upper right hand side corner. Go to settings in the bottom right corner of your screen. This is going to take you to settings info page, scroll down a bit, and right in between you'll be able to find an option as Firefox update. Over here you'll need to tap on show update history, or maybe you can just go for check update history, which is located right at the bottom. After that, you can check for update and make sure that your Mozilla Firefox is up to date. After that, what else you can do is, apart from it, you can also do this procedure, that is, open up a new tab and then on the search box type in about 2-point memory. So after that, it's going to take you to this page. So over here, go ahead and tap on minimize memory uses, which is right at the bottom, and this might be able to fix the issue all at once. Once again, open up a new tab, and now you'll need to type in about ease to preferences. After that, you'll need to scroll down a bit once you're on this page, and you'll need to go ahead and here you need to locate performances. After that, you need to unmark this box and make sure that you've already marked on use hardware acceleration. Once you've done that, go to privacy and security. After that, you need to scroll down a bit, and here under cookies and data side, you need to click on clear data and make sure that you've cleared all your data. And after that, you can also manage your data. If you just go ahead and tap on it and click on the save changes button. So these are the steps on how you can fix Mozilla Firefox. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.